Good morning, guys. Good morning, online and offline. Online, guys, my voice is clear. Am I audible? Online, guys, my voice is clear. All right. All right, guys. Thank you. The last class, what was discussed the last class? Not expert. Huh? Sorry? The last class, what was discussed Saturday? Yeah. How to select the different options from the drop down and how to handle the window, multi windows. Okay, that is very important session. How to handle the multi windows, how to select the multiple options. And at the same time, we discuss how to send the data by using CSS selector. How to send the data by using CSS selector. We discussed the last class. The next one, we discuss the last class, how to handle the frame. We discuss what is the frame. I was explained the time. Okay. And who are unable to attend last session. Okay. That is very important session. You guys are missed. Okay. I can't do anything. I said clearly, you guys are attend the session sharp 9 o'clock. I said last time, and not sharp. So many people are not attend the last session. Okay, if you guys are attend online, that is okay, fine, no problem. Okay, then you people are able to understand. This is first starting to ending. This is we call Selenium type 1. I was divided three parts, the Selenium type 1, type 2, type 3. Why? Because if I want to discuss concept wise, okay, you people are able to understand. See, if you want to send the data in type 1 Selenium, we need to use send keys. Type 2, every data we need to provide from keyboard. From keyboard, that is we call actions in Selenium. That is we call actions in Selenium. Okay. See, what is the action? If you want to perform any action on your web page, if you want to perform any action on your web page, we need to provide some efforts. Is it clear or not? Yeah. See, I, I will provide the efforts. I will provide the efforts from my keyboard. From my keyboard. The action class in Java, by using actions, we are able to send the data from keyboard. We are able to click on the button, not click method, enter. Okay. See, there are a different types is there. The last session notes is completed. There are a different types is there in action. Please do practice, guys. Okay. The Selenium looking and listening, it is very easy. So without practice, it is very difficult. You guys are need to practice the Selenium. While practicing the Selenium, if you guys are getting a different types of issues, the time you guys are getting the issues, if you want to resolve that issues, how you guys are able to resolve that issues, you have on some idea. The time also you didn't get the idea, you can ask me. Definitely, I will provide a clue. Okay. Yeah. Actions. There are a different types. Is there? And if you want to perform any action, we are able to use types. First one is the enter. The next one is the escape. If you want to perform any actions, first one is the enter. Second one is the escape. And third and next one is the drag and drop. Drag and drop. Right click. Double click. Drag and drop. Right click and double click. Mouse action. Mouse over means move to. Okay. Mouse over action. These are all we call actions concepts we are able to use. If you want to click on anything, we need to use in type 1 click button. See here, send keys is different, and click on, we need to use enter. Okay, we need to use enter. See, if you want to send the data in type 1, we need to get the locator dot send keys. That is the process. In this time, you need to get the locator. That locator we need to provide inside of one variable. That variable dot send keys. That variable dot send keys. Variable name. Variable name. And whatever we are expecting the data, we need to provide. See guys, if you want to use the action, must and should you need to provide the perform method. Without perform, that is not working. Action is not working. Okay. If you want to use actions, must and should we need to provide perform method. Without perform, the action is not working. Okay. See, if you want to use the actions, first of all, we need to write a syntax of the action. Actions, ACTOBJ, and actions. In this actions, we need to call. In this actions, we need to call variable name. Variable name, driver. Okay. So this is the syntax of the action. This is the syntax of the action. You guys are able to understand or not? This is the syntax of the action. If you want to perform any action, must and should we need to apply the perform method. How you guys are able to apply the perform method, I will show you. Okay. Without perform, whatever you provided the action, click enter or any action that is not working. Okay. So if you want to use the action, must and should we need to provide perform. Why I need to divide 3 parts in Selenium, I will explain. Question, interview question. If you want to click on submit button, how you guys are able to click on submit button? By using automation. Manually it is working. If you want to click on submit button, how you guys are click on submit button? My question is clear or not? If you want to click on submit button, how you guys are able to click on the submit button? That is my question. Find element. Find element after that. Yeah, that is okay. Find element by dot id. Okay, fine. Locator, you guys are make it. After that, we need to apply click action. Okay. Click is not working. Click is not working. What we can do? We need to use actions. Enter. Okay. Enter is not working. What we can do? JavaScript executor. That is the final. That's why I divided. First click, next enter, tarvata JavaScript. Okay, one by one, I explain. So that's why I divided 3 parts. Okay, this is the question. Everyone, if you have a experience, definitely they will ask. I will discuss JavaScript executor also. Why? Because if it is not working, definitely we need to apply the JavaScript executor. Without JavaScript executor, see, once we confirm the click is working or not by using JavaScript executor, once we confirm by using JavaScript executor, that is called a defect. The time also it is not working, that is called a defect. That is the final. That is the final JavaScript executor. Okay. Don't forget the answer. Click is not working. We can apply the action, not enter. Don't say enter. Okay. If they are asking in detail, which action, then you can say enter. Okay. The action also is not working. We need to use JavaScript executor. That is your answer. Okay. No one is asking extra. See, this is the syntax of the action. Syntax of action. What next, guys? Now I need to use this one. Now I need to use this one. By using this one, I will make a code. I will make a code. Is it clear? Okay. Yeah. 10 o'clock, I will start the notes. Okay. First, I will complete the codes. After that, I will start the notes. Right click on here. Choose the class. Just I want to click on public static void main. Okay. Once you guys are click on public static void main. Yeah. Now, what is the manual flow? I will explain. First manual flow, I will explain. See, you guys are observe here. I need to use the Flipkart. This is the Flipkart. Whenever you guys are launch the Flipkart, then it should be displayed one login button, one login window pop up. So if you want to automate a Flipkart, must and it should be displayed login pop-up. So if you want to handle the login pop-up, basically we have a one, here we have one into mark is there. So into is not displaying here. So we have an option, click on into or click on escape button. Click on escape button. Once you guys are click on escape button, you need to enter the data here. click on enter button. Click on enter button. Okay. If you want to verify this expected shoe, see, you guys are observed different, it will be changed. Okay. And this is the process. First of all, launch the browser and click automatically before it should not displayed into mark. Okay. Now it should be displayed. You need to remove this login without human effort. Without human effort. Once you guys are login, see, you people are able to handle the login. After that, you are able to enter the data inside of the search bar. Is it clear or not? Once you guys are able to handle the login pop-up, and after that you are able to enter the data inside of the search bar. That is our expected. So I need to handle the pop-up. Once I handle the pop-up, I need to I need to enter some data in search bar. And after that, I want to click on the search button. This is my expected. This is my expected. How we are able to handle this one? You guys are observe. Clear? Huh? Everybody is clear? Shall I repeat? Yeah. Driver, public wide, launch HUT, system.set property, key and value, WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver, and here we need to provide driver path. Why people are not attend the session, guys? So many people are unable to attend. Huh? Today? Come again? 1 minute, guys. Just a minute online, guys. To get the info, okay, about the Selenium. So many people offline guys are unable to attend. So you guys are able to attend in online, that is okay, fine. Okay, those guys are unable to attend the online, I can't do anything. For example, you need to take a Saturday regular session. We have a regular session. Just what I am informed, you guys are able to attend the sharp 9 o'clock. I inform. Why? Because after 9, 10, 15, I will close the session. So 1 hour 15 minutes I took the session. So that's why I need to, I said clearly you guys are, but so many people are unable to attend last session. I was wait 10 minutes also, the last session. Okay, you have a personal work. Okay, no problem. Okay, you people are able to attend in online. That is okay, fine. I don't say anything. Okay. Why? Because very important sessions, the Selenium, people are unable to attend. Okay, you guys are unable to understand. Okay. See, when I explain clearly number of times, the time you people are unable to understand. Okay. So without coming to the session, if you want to ask your friend how you guys are able to understand, I was explained number of times, but still you guys are a little bit confused. Okay, you people are unable to attend. If you ask your friend, he's explained, but that time how you guys are able to understand? Myself number of times. So that is the reason. Don't miss the session when I start the JavaScript. Or if you have a emergency work, you can take, no problem. But if it is possible, you can attend online. You can attend online. Okay, clear? Yeah. See, guys, I need to convert complete manual flow, automate. Just I need to provide your driver equal to new Chrome driver. Just a minute, guys, online guys. The 65 is the online is the common strength. But offline, if you guys are add in offline, I am expecting 85 above. But people are not attend. That is I am asking. Okay. Already 7:30 batch is completed and 11 o'clock batch is completed. We don't have a relationship. 7:30 batch are myself and 11 and myself. Once session is completed, that's it. Okay. When you have a sessions, up to now you are my students. After completion of the session, for example, today your last session, Tomorrow, I am able to find out, I am able to recognize your faces when you guys are they nearby, narration it. But I am unable to talk. You are unable to talk. You guys are able to call. Okay, hi. I said like that. You guys are stay here. Whenever you guys are stay here, the time you can utilize your my time and your time. Same SR Nagar, nearby Bolo China. Now it is construct the new building, community hall. Community hall. You know, near Chaurasta. So that's why I'm telling. Okay, you guys are practice. I will help you. Every day I said clearly, you guys are practice, practice, practice. But I can't do anything, guys. If you guys are unable to practice, I can't do anything. Just I need to copy the URL and paste it here. Thread dot sleep. Okay. Coming days, it's very high competition. You know, coming days, it is very high competition. Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. If I conduct the any assignments, you people are not attend the session. Oh my God. Public wide, send data. I said clearly, if you are able to write, I am okay, fine. If you are unable to write, I am anything I am asking. Some people are unable to write the assignment. Anything I am asking? Nothing. Okay, guys. Once I launch the application URL, then it should be displayed one pop-up. Window pop-up. If you want to handle the window pop-up, we need to write the syntax of the action. Okay. ACTIONS equal to ACTIONS equal to ACTOBJ equal to new ACTIONS actions. Here we need to call driver. We need to import action. See, we need to import action. Once you guys are import the action, what I need to do? I need to handle the login pop-up. ACT obj dot send keys. Send keys from my keyboard. Keys dot escape. Keys dot escape. What I'm saying, if you want to use action, must and should, we need to provide perform. Without perform, the action is not working. So, and after that, once I handle that one, driver dot find element, I dot name. Okay, by dot name, web element, u is the variable name, import. So I will check this. I need to inspect what is the search bar locator. Okay, name Q is there, name Q, name locator is there, Q, value is the Q. And after that, what we need to do? I need to create a actions. If I want to access the action method in different methods, what I need to do? If I want to access action method, all the methods, for example, launch method I am able to access, and send keys method I am able to access. Now I am able to access the action method or not? Now I am able to access or not? How? I am unable to access the action method in this time. I need to write a action method inside of the public area. ACTOBJ in this time I am able to access. Don't forget, if you want to access the action method, must and should we need to create a public area. WebDriver without a public area, you people are able to get the WebDriver methods? No. That is the public property, everyone able to access. That is the public property, everyone able to access. So, I want to send a data, ACT obj dot send keys. See guys, second one, web element target and sequence of keys. Web element target is the WE and send keys what I need to send. See, you guys are observe WE what I need to send. I want to send the something here. Okay. I want to send the something here. This is my expected. And after that, I want to put the send dot must and should we need to use perform method. Okay. Once you guys are perform, what we need to do? What we need to do? Once you guys are enter the data, after that, click on search bar. I no need to apply the click action. I need to apply the enter button. So ACTOBJ dot send keys dot from my keyboard. I need to send the from my keyboard. Keys dot I need to use enter dot perform dot. Let's wait some time. You need to add throws declaration. And after that, you need to create the object for the class. Obj equals to new constructor and obj dot launch obj keys. What is default constructor? What is the default constructor? Default constructor. I discuss or not? Discuss, confirm, huh? Yeah, now I will execute. Launch the browser. Then it should be displayed login pop-up. I need to handle the login pop-up. Enter the iPhone 13 Pro. See, handle the login pop-up. Click on enter. Then it should be displayed. See guys on the screen top browsing. Okay. If you want to click on this one, see guys, if you want to click on this one, If you want to click, guys are able to apply. Inspect. This is the first one. And go to this, which is there here. Alt is there. Just I need to pick the alt. Just Control F. This is available. One minute, 1 minute. So I want to click on this one. Inspect. Where is the iPhone? That is okay. See, you need to apply the action here on the screen or iPhone 15 black 128. So here I will pick this one. How I need to write the XPath here? Huh? Huh? How I need to with what is this locator name? That is the confirm boys. Okay. Why? Because that is inside, that is in block letters. So how I need to write the XPath? Tell me. Double slash. The text is there. Div. We need to provide the text. That's it. Clear? So you guys are observe here. I will pick this one. And let's wait some time. It will be take some time, guys. Basically, I will provide 3 milliseconds. It is taking more time. So driver dot find element by dot XPath. We need to provide here. Okay. And this one we need to store inside of the web element. Web element condition. And after that condition dot click, I will apply. Okay. So now you guys are up. So I will execute this one. You guys are able to understand or not? Handle the escape, enter iPhone 15, click on search, click on Apple iPhone. Let's wait some time. Yes. We are able to book the mobile through code also. Now what we need to do now? What is the next one? Click on buy. Right click, inspect. Take the locator. Come down. See, click on buy. So I need to highlight. See guys, type is there, button. So I will verify. By now also is there text. So I will take type, Control F. If I want to write a XPath for this one, button, What next? Button. Type I need to pick. Type. Type, it is not visible. I will show you here. Now it is visible. Click on this one. Inspect. Okay. So this is the buy. See guys, button is highlighted or not? So I will pick the buy type. Now I will write the X path. Tell me. Button type equals to, huh? I said what I'm saying. Without text, must and should. I said note also. Without text, we need to write a at the rate. That is mandatory. Now it is highlight. So we need to take this one and you guys are, let's wait some time. 3 dot sleep. Sleep 3000. Driver dot find element by dot x path. Okay, directly I will apply click. I think this is not working. Okay, I think I am expecting. Why it is not working? You guys are tell me. See on the board, you guys are observe here. Entered iPhone, click on entered. Click on Apple Life 13 block. Okay. What I need to do? Click on buy. Let's wait some time. It's taking some time, guys. That is the website issue. Still it is loading. So that's why we need to provide the wait. Okay. You can provide 4,000 or 3,000 above you guys are provide. Still it is loading. Oh my God. Yeah, I will execute one more time. It is taking more time. So I will close Selenium, no such element exception. Now I will execute. Right click on here, run as Java application. Launch the browser. Complete page, home page is stuck. Already search is applied. I will close this one, guys. See, click on Apple iPhone 15 Pro, 15. Yeah, now it is open. We are expecting buy. See, guys, we are expecting buy. It is working. Working. Why? I am expecting something. You guys are saying something. Where I need to use the perform, guys? Huh? Yeah, yeah. That no. Okay, I will open this page. Tell me why am I unable to apply the click buy now click. Okay, you guys are think I will tell you answer. No. Okay, put the heading. How to send the CSS selector. How to use the CSS selector. How to use the CSS selector. Ek, one time you guys are observe here on the screen why it is not working. Who are attend the yesterday session? Raise your hands online. Sorry, offline. Yesterday session. Saturday. Yeah, tell me now. You people are tell me. You have an idea. Oh my God. हाँ एक बार देखो ऊपर कुछ नहीं हाँ absolutely we have a two windows is there, parent window, child window, that is we discussed yesterday. வணக்கம். I said clearly, regularly we are able to use the two types of codes, frame and multi windows. You are asking the question. I said that's why I'm telling, please look at the screen. Two windows is there. This is the parent window. Once I click on the parent window, in NVP commas, once I click on the admin area, child window, it will be open. Here also child window, it will be open. So in this time, what we need to do? We need to write a window handles method. Get window handles method. Concentrate body and mind. So we are able to handle by using the get window handles and set method. And after that, for each method, and after that, inside of the for each condition, inside of the condition not equal to handle dot equal to parent window, driver dot switch to dot window handle. Okay, how to use the CSS selector? I said clearly, guys. Listen carefully. Why, guys, you guys are unable to understand? Huh? Number of times I was explained yesterday. Okay? Huh? Manage him. Okay, how to use the CSS selector? How to use the CSS selector? Write down. If you want to send a data, if we want to send a data, if we want to send a data, we are able to use CSS selector. By using CSS selector, by using CSS selector, we are able to send the data to anywhere. Okay? We are able to send the data to anywhere. Next line. Next line. This is we are able to use. This is we are able to use, comma, while using the XPath, the time we are unable to find dynamic, while using the XPath, the time we are unable to get dynamic, the time we are unable to get dynamic, then we can use. Then we can use. You got it? This point you guys are able to understand? When while using the XPath, the time we are unable to get the dynamic, the time we can use the CSS. Okay? You guys are put the gap and write the code CSS. How to handle the frame? How to handle the frame? How to handle the frame? If we want to handle any element inside of the frame, if we want to handle any element inside of the frame, if we want to handle any element inside of the frame, if we want to handle any element inside of the frame, comma. First we need to verify. First we need to verify that is frame or HTML. That is frame or HTML. Okay. If it is frame, if it is frame, if it is frame, if it is frame, comma, if it is frame, comma, if we want to enter, if we want to enter must and should, we need to write below command. If it is frame, must and should, we need to write below command. We are able to enter the frame. We are able to enter the frame. We are able to enter the frame. Then we are able to handle the, then we are able to handle the expected elements. Is it clear or not? If it is frame, if you want to enter the frame, we need to write below command. Okay. Then we are able to handle the expected elements. Is it clear or not? Yeah. Below command driver dot switch to dot frame, driver dot switch to dot frame, inside of the bracket iframe result. Inside of the bracket, you guys are provide not iframe result, locator. Or locator or iframe result. That is okay, fine. If you guys are provide, no problem. See on the screen, line number 23. Line number 23, driver dot switch to dot frame. Okay. Done now? Next line. Once we enter the frame, once we enter the frame, we need to get the expected locator. We need to get the, once we enter the frame, we need to get the expected locator. We need to get the expected locator. Create a variable for that locator. Create a variable for that locator. Create a variable for that locator. Okay. Create a variable for that locator. 24. Okay. After that, create the select statement. After that, create the object for select. After that, create the object for select. After that, create the object for select. Call the variable name. Call the locator variable name. Call the locator variable name. Next line. Next line. Next line. If you want to select a multiple options, if we want to select a multiple options, if we want to select a multiple options, if we want to select a multiple option, we need to use is multiple method inside of the condition. We need to use is multiple method inside of the condition. We need to use is multiple method inside of the condition. Next line. In this condition, we need to choose the expected elements. See guys, in this condition, we need to choose the expected elements. In this condition, we need to choose the expected elements. In this condition, we need to choose the expected element. Next line. If you want to print a selected options, if we want to print a selected options, if we want to print a selected options, we need to use list method. If we want to print a selected options, we need to use list method. We need to use list method. Okay. In this list method, next line. In this list method, we need to call the get all selected options method. We need to call the, in this list method, we need to call the get all selected option. Line number 32. Line number 32. We need to provide get all selected option. Next line. If you want to print a selected options with the duplicate also, if you want to print a selected options with the duplicate also, we need to use follow. With the duplicate also, we need to use follow. Okay. Next line. Okay, next line. If you want to deselect, if you want to deselect, if we want to deselect, if we want to deselect the selected options, if we want to deselect the selected options, got it? Huh? If you want to deselect which one? Selected options, we need to use below command. Write down deselect by deselect all. Line number 40. Line number 40. If you want to deselect selected options, we need to use deselect all. Next one. Next one. Before close the active window, before close the active window, before close the active window, if you want to back to, before close the active window, if we want to back to frame to HTML, if you want to back to frame to HTML, we need to use below command. Line number 43. If you want to, before close the active window, if you want to back to frame to HTML, we need to use below command. It is very, very important code. It is very, very important code. Regularly in real time, we are able to use. Driver dot switch to dot default content. Okay, done. I didn't discuss actions any nodes. Clear? Okay. Next one, how to handle the frame is completed. Okay. How to handle the multi options is completed. Next one, how to handle the multi windows. How to handle the multi windows. Next heading, how to handle the multi windows. How to handle the multi windows. Inside of the bracket, tabs. Tab. Inside of the bracket, tab. Okay. Multi-window, you guys are thinking parallel execution. Not that one. This is the multi-tab. How to handle the multi-tabs. Okay. See, guys. Yeah. If we want to handle the multi-tabs, if we want to handle the multi-tabs, if you want to handle the multi-tabs, we are able to use below two commands. Below two commands. The first one, driver dot window get window handle. See line number 21. Driver dot get window handle. Okay. Next one, line number 23. Driver dot get window handles. Plural and singular. Okay, clear? Yeah, put the heading. Driver dot get window handle. Okay. Driver dot get window handle. Write down. Once launch the application, the parent window we need to store. Once launch the application, the parent window we need to store inside of the. Once launch the application, the parent window we need to store inside of the get window handle. Inside of the once launch the browser, the parent window we need to store inside of the get window handle. Line number 21. See, once launch the browser, the parent window we need to store inside of the get window handle. Next line. If we want to perform any action in parent window, if we want to perform any action, if we want to perform any action in parent window, then it should be displayed child window. Then it should be displayed child window. Full stop. Next line. If you want to handle the child window, we need to follow the below steps. If we want to handle the child window, we need to follow the below steps. Okay, below stop, full stop, below stops, full stop. Put the heading driver dot get window handles. Put the heading, we need to follow the below stops, full stop. Put the heading driver dot get window handles. Not handle, guys. Handles. S you can add. Okay. I'll continue tomorrow. Any doubt online and offline? This code I will upload in Google. Already uploaded. Okay. Only I get window handle everything. Okay. All right. And tomorrow remaining code actions related I will upload. Actions related. Any doubt? Abhijit, what is the issue? You are asking, this is last time also you are asking. Yeah, I will tell you, Abhijit. It is loading image. Abhijit, you can send the code. You take the screenshot and send the code. Okay. And reminding guys, if you want to talk, I will provide access. Please raise your hand. Who are able to talk, you guys raise your hand. Okay. If you want to talk, you guys raise your hand. Yeah, Meena.
Sir, driver.
Yes, Meena. Come again.
Hello, sir.
Speak loud.
Sir, driver dot window handles method, sir. Explain again, sir. Disconnected, sir. You are
When? Yesterday or today?
today, sir. Just now, sir. You are
Yeah. No. Theory you are asking?
yes, sir. Notes, running notes, sir. In
Yeah.
middle.
Uh, if you want to once launch the browser, the parent window we need to store inside of the get window handle. The parent window we need to store inside of the get window handle. Then it should be displayed child window. Okay, guys, you can leave. No problem. Remaining guys, you can. Then it should be displayed. Then it should be displayed child window.
Sir,
If
that
you
is
want to handle the child window, if we want to handle the child window, we need to follow the below steps.
sir. That is the handle method, sir. I'm asking handles, sir.
Yeah, that is I am saying handle, only handle, not handles.
Okay, sir. Actually, suddenly breaks, sir.
It's okay, no problem.
So that
Anybody, any doubts? Anybody, any doubts? Okay, Abhijit, I will verify. ఇక్కడ పబ్లిక్ స్టాటిక్ వైడ్ వెబ్ డ్రైవర్ గెట్ డ్రైవర్ రైట్. Okay guys, thank you very much. If you have any doubt, text me here. Web driver. Okay guys, thank you.